Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today, inshallah, we will explain Unit 11. We will take the vocabulary. The title of Unit 11 is Population, Health and the Environment. With you, Mr. Mahmoud Mansour, New Vision School. Let's read the vocabulary. Arthritis, cell, cure for, diabetes, diabetic. What is the difference between diabetes and diabetic? Diabetes is a noun. Diabetic is an adjective. Ali is a diabetic person. He has diabetes. Mend equal fix. Equal repair. Mend, fix, repair. Operate takes the preposition on. Operate on. Progress. You have to know that progress comes with make. Make progress. Tissue. Treatment. Treat is a verb. Treatment is a noun. The treatment. Painful. Painful is an adjective. The noun from painful is pain. If you wanted to have, or you wanted to transfer it into the opposite, it will be painless. Traditionally is an adverb. From the word tradition. If you wanted to transfer it into an adjective, it will be traditional. Point to. Recycling. From the verb recycle. That means you will remanufacture them again. Recycled is an adjective. Recycled material. Recycled paper. Recycled plastic, and so on. Recycled is an adjective. Paper is a noun. Noun. Upset. That means very angry. When you say get upset, that means become upset. Get, that means become. Become. Suppose takes the preposition to. Supposed to. Population. We have the word populate, and this is a verb. Populate. If you say populated land, that means land with people. The opposite of deserted land or desert land. Population, currently that mean now. Environment. If you want to transfer environment into an adjective, it will be environmental. Guest, care takes the preposition for. Care for. Distant, that mean remote. In a distant part, that mean in a remote part. Common disease. Damage. Don't forget that. Damage come with do damage. Technique. Conclusion. Assure, reassure. Pride. If you wanted to transfer this adjective, pride is an adjective, to a noun, it will be brightness. Spread, that mean everywhere. Spread. Function. We can say the function of the heart. Okay. The word after that, it will be fuel. And we use fuel with make fuel. But this is flu, and we use flu with catch flu. Hopefully is an adverb. If you want to transfer it into an adjective, it will be hopeful. And the opposite of hopeful is hopeless. Matter, that means the problem. The problem or the topic. What is the matter? That means what is the problem or what is the topic. Nervous. Climate change. Manage to. And the manage to equal can. And the noun, it will be manager. Decrease. And the opposite of decrease is increase. Decrease, increase. Hostile, hostile. Hostile, hostile. North Pole, North Pole. South Pole, South Pole. Rapid, rapidly. Trend, trend, trend. Planet, planet. Unrecognizable. From the verb recognize. Recognize is the verb. Recognizable is a noun. Recognizable is a noun. Unrecognizable, the opposite of recognizable. Operation, operation. Take the preposition on. I told you operation comes with do, comes with perform, comes with carry out. Do operation, perform operation, carry out operation. Pray, pray. Pass, pass. Prevent, and take the preposition from. Prevent from. Establish, establish. Establish equal build. Establish, build. Set up, establish. Build, set up. Remove, remove. Jungles, jungles. Equipment, and this is uncountable noun. Equipment, we will say much equipment. Melt, melt. Total, total. Recognize, recognition. Recognize is the verb. Recognition is a noun. Recognition is a noun. Option, option. When you transfer this noun into an adjective, it will be optional. It will be optional. It's optional, that means you can choose. It has many choices. Optional. It's not an obligatory. Development, development. From the verb develop. From the verb develop. Production, healthcare, healthcare. Import, and the opposite of import is export. Import, maybe it will be a verb, it will be a noun. Import, noun and verb. Export, noun and verb. Breakable, from the verb break. Break, it's a verb. Breakable, it's an adjective. Unbreakable is the opposite of breakable. The opposite of breakable. Come true, come true, come true. Defend, defense. Movement, according to, according to. Drinkable, drinkable. From the verb drink. Drink and drinkable. Undrinkable, undrinkable. Believable, believable. From the verb believe. Believe. And we have the noun believer. Believer. Disbeliever. Disbeliever. The opposite of believer is disbeliever. Unlikely. Growing. Unemployment. Unemployment. From the verb employ. From the verb employ. And we have the noun employment. Employment. And the opposite of employment, unemployment. Employment and employment. Unreadable. Unreadable. From the verb read. Readable is an adjective. Readable, an adjective. The opposite is unreadable. Gradually. Gradually. Gradually is a verb. Sorry, adverb. Gradually, adverb. We have gradual as an adjective. Gradual, an adjective. Employer, employer. We have the verb employ. The noun, it will be employer. Employee, employee. The preposition of unit 11, it will be break promise. Break promise. And the opposite of break promise, keep promise. He keeps his promise. He always keeps his promise. He always breaks his promise. Drop out of. Take turns to. Look into. Do research into. Cope with. Regular exercises. Plenty of. Work on. Make progress. Keep fit and healthy. The not too distant future. Treatment for. Environmental issue. Don't forget that environmental is an adjective. Issue is a noun. So it will be an adjective plus noun. Make production. Look upset. Make sure. Daily lives. Daily lives. We have the word day. If you want to transfer it into an adjective, it will be daily. Daily routine. Daily routine. Daily lives. And so on. Like month, monthly, year, yearly. Incurable disease. We have the word cure, and this is a verb, cure. And the curable is an adjective. Curable, an adjective. Uncurable is the opposite of curable. Uncurable. incurable disease, operate on, start by, start by. Don't forget that by plus verb plus ing, by plus verb plus ing, by playing, by watching, by drinking, and so on. Start by, over a period of time, run his own business, run his own business. We have a company, and my father run our company, run our company. Run his own business. Be crippled with. Research teams. There is no point in. Inshallah, see you next video. Mr. Mahmoud Mansour.